In this video today, I'm bringing you updates about Iceberg crypto airdrop. I'm bringing you updates about Iceberg crypto airdrop. Iceberg crypto airdrop, I have mentioned it to you in a previous video like this. It is going to list in about 28 days time, exactly February 1, 2025. That is the listing date for Iceberg crypto airdrop. Now, mentioning the listing date, I need to let you know that the TGE, according to Iceberg itself, is deemed to hold in the first quarter of 2025 because it started in 2024 and then the TGE is be to hold in the first quarter. The snapshot also will hold around the date I've mentioned, still in the first quarter of 2025. Now, you may be wondering, how do I maximize my points on this Iceberg? I was discussing with my wife today and she said she has not been going to the Iceberg and her points are so low. It doesn't take any big deal for you to have high points in Iceberg. I am going to take the time now to explain some of the details on how to maximize points from the Iceberg crypto airdrop today. Let me spell Iceberg for you. Iceberg is ICEBERG. Now, when you open the Iceberg the Iceberg mini app on Telegram, you first find what is called space, and in this space you're going to see the countdown 28 days as at the time I'm making this video, 5 hours 53 minutes 41 seconds. Then you will see your name and your username on Telegram showing, and some other details about yourself. Then your balance is also going to show on that space, the first point, which is space on the mini app called Iceberg. In this space, you're going to see your balance, and then you're going to see the time it will take you to receive your 100 points, which is being mined every 6 hours. Now, you also have the privilege of auto clicker, and with this auto clicker, you can get multiply by 10 2 points. It multiplies your points depending on how far you want to take it. So if you want to go with auto clicker at one turn, you are going to have a lot in that place. At 1 turn plus 0.19 turn is also included, and the point for 6 hours based on this auto clicker is 0. For 3,500 points, you need 0.8 turn or 399 stars. That gives you 3,500 points. If you want 2,000 points, you are going to have 0.7 turn or 349 stars. And this goes on and on up to the maximum. And the minimum points you can get is 200 points, which is 0.2 turn and at 99 stars. Now, for now, this task is or auto clicker is optional. So what you now go to is the task. Click the task session, and on the task session on the Iceberg mini app on Telegram, you're going to see the first one, which is visit partner sites to get rewards. So with this, you can get 10,000 points every day. So these 10,000 points implies that you're going to visit the partner site 20 times, and that means if it's going to give you 10,000 points 20 times, you are going to get 500 points per visit. So take your time as you are doing something else, doing your other work, just click it and look away, and then come back again and click it and look away, and come back again and click it and look away, and before you know it, the 10,000 points have dropped and you've done it for 20 times. Also, you have the more daily reward, which involves you watching video for reward, and this also gives you 10,000 points. So you click it, you watch videos also 20 times. Each watch is 500 points. So you do this 20 times daily, and then you get your 10,000 points, which we added immediately you complete it. Then you also have the Iceberg Plus also in the task. This allows you to upgrade to Iceberg Plus and gives you 2 million plus 2 million points. So with this Iceberg Plus, you can get 2 million points. So for 1 month, you can get 100,000 points, which is goes for 2 turn. You have to pay 2 turn, or you give out 949 stars. Or for 3 months, you get 350,000 points, and that gives you 4 turn or 2,490 stars. So if you have the means, you can go ahead and do this. If you don't have the means, no problem. Go ahead and do what you can do. Now, there's another task which is below the upgrade to Iceberg Plus, which gives you it says hour. Under hour, you have the period of inviting up to 50 referrals, inviting people, invite your friends up to the game. So when you click on the invite, you can invite up to 100 friends, invite up to 50 friends. If you invite 100 friends, you're going to get 20,000 points. If you invite 50 friends, you get 10,000 points. If you have 30 friends, you get 5,000 points. If you have 15 friends, you are going to get 2,000 points. Now, we go on and look at the next one, which is Iceberg Media. When you click on Iceberg Media, it asks you to subscribe to Watchcast, subscribe to Discord, subscribe to YouTube, subscribe to Instagram, subscribe to Twitter, which is X, subscribe to Iceberg EN, subscribe to Iceberg RU. By the time you do all this, these 7 tasks for Iceberg Media are completed, and you are going to get the points allocated to each. So each one has its own point, and when you follow the instructions, you get the points added to your balance. Now, apart from this Iceberg Media, you go down to partner Bidget. So it said follow Bidget wallet on X. You do that, you get the point. It said visit Bidget wallet Lite. You do that, you get the point. It also said the next one is join Bidget wallet like Lite Easter and Telegram. You do that, you also get the point. So all the other points are one-time task. The only task that you do daily, which is daily reward, and more daily reward, is the one you do daily. So the upgrade, which is Iceberg Plus upgrade, is not daily. Then the hour, which was inviting friends, depend on when you're able to invite the friends until the project is completed. Then the next thing is invite. When you go to invite, you have points for any friend that you refer, and the friend is taking part in the game very well. You earn points. Then you get 10% from your friends, plus 5% from their referrals, 2.5% from their referrals. So the referral of their friends' referrals, you get points up to the 3rd friend. Then the next thing after invite below, out of the 5 things in the base of the mini app, Iceberg mini app, is wallet. So you link your wallet. In my case, I linked up with my Ton wallet and the Tonkeeper wallet, and I linked it up, and it is there. Then you can also move on to the rewards. The rewards is showing you the reward is going to score towards the allocation for the airdrop. And the first thing is the Iceberg Pass. The second thing is the Bidget tasks, which I have completed already. The 3 Bidget tasks, I've done it. The Iceberg Pass, I've done 1. And then the endpoints are also there. You have so much that you can do in that place. I've started and it's showing where I've reached. Then the in-game purchases also are there for you to do and take part. Then the friends that you have invited is also going to show. Then your Iceberg Plus that you have done is also going to show. So this is basically what the Iceberg crypto airdrop is all about, and I want you to take advantage of it and also to make something out of it. So the TGE is a timer. A time has been added to Iceberg Play, counting down to the TGE date, which we plan to hold in first quarter of 2025. So basically February 1, 2025 is the expected listing date for the Iceberg, because as of today is counting down 28 days. 28 days for 3 days already in January is going to give us midnight of this January 31, which now leads us to February 1st, 2025. So this is the update on Iceberg. If you have any question or comments, and if you have not already started on Iceberg yet, you have 22 days to take part in this project and also make something out of it. So the link to join Iceberg, using my link, and for you to join Iceberg today and also to cash out at the end of the day, is in the description section of the video. I will also leave it in the comment section of the video and also pin it at the comment section. Until I come your way in the next video, I am Dr. Olivingari. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. Please don't miss out on anything. Come along and you are going to be glad you did. I'll see you in the next one. This video popping up at the side for my channel is the next you need to see now. Bye bye and happy new year again.